everyone, my name is Raghavendra. Today we are going to discuss about how to deploy large language model in our local laptop. So currently in the generative AI industry, OpenAI is the company name and ChatGPT is their product name. It has made a tremendous revolutionary changes and it was quite successful, but some of the companies are still hesitant to use that product. The reason being the bank, especially the banks, the insurance companies, and the pharmaceutical manufacturing companies. These companies are not very comfortable in sharing the data with a third party provider. So they so this is the challenges. So in order to overcome this, the open source community has come out with lot of large language models. So in this case, what happens is that our data will not go out of our organization. It will stay within our organization, and we will be able to run the large language model. So I will show you how to do this one. Let's jump into coding. Okay. So just go to Google and type Ollama. Right. So you go to here. Okay. You go to a website called Ollama.ai. Guys, before you begin, this is currently available only for Mac OS and Linux, and currently I am showing on the Mac OS. Okay, for Windows it is not is yet to come. So click on download. Okay, then click on, if you are using Linux, click on Linux, and if you are using Mac OS, then use Mac OS. Download for Mac OS. Then I'm using a Mac OS laptop, so your download will get started, and I already downloaded this file, and the app is up and running. Okay, if the app is up and running, you will see the bunny icon over here. It's the Ollama icon on the top screen, on the top right hand side. Then go to your terminal. Okay, just type Ollama. Okay, so yeah, if you see this response like this, that means Ollama is up and running. Now I told you that you can learn, you can deploy large language models in your machine, but it did not tell you which model you are going to run. So we have to know what are the large language models available in the market and which are supported by Ollama in this case. Again, go to Google. Okay, ask it Ollama models. Okay, here I already have. Go here, so click on models over here. Okay, so there are all the models: Starling, LM, Neural, Chat, Mistral. One of my favorites is Mistral, and another, the second best is Llama 2. If you see Llama 2, it is around 146.3 k pools, and Mistral is around 75 k pools, and Code Llama is around 73.7 k pools. Okay, we can select any model. Just click on any model. Okay, you go to Mistral, and let us say run Mistral, and copy this command Ollama run Mistral. Okay, go to the terminal and run this command Ollama run Mistral and hit enter. Okay, right, yeah. So the model is loading now. So if you are running it the first time, it will take some time for you to download first, then you can ask a question. So I'll ask a question now. What is the capital of India? See, the answer has come. The capital of India is New Delhi. If you want to ask another question, you can ask it actually. Okay, but if you are looking for a web framework, like you want to ask it like a web, like ChatGPT, kind of create any UI, something like that. Now let's go to Ollama documentation. Okay, just type Ollama documentation, right? So go here. If you go here, yeah, this is the prompt you have to give. So let us run in Python. Let's go to ChatGPT now. Okay, so give me Python streamlit application for Mistral model. Okay, see, this is the code. Just copy the code and go to you know, go to desktop. Okay, go to desktop and create a new folder which says that Ollama YT1. Okay, and right click on it and new terminal folder, click on code open source code, then type any application you want. So I'll give main.py, and then I'm giving this one. Okay, so yeah, so if you see the commentary over here, if you see here, this is the thing I have copy pasted. It is running in the port number called 11434, right? And you need to add one more condition. You need to step stream is equal to false. Okay, add this line also to the code. So prompt first I will not show this one. I will not do this one. I will run as it is. Then I will tell you. So select model. So I'll select. I'll change the model name as Mistral. One of the model is Mistral. Okay. So yes. So you need to install striplet. You should import JSON. Also do it import JSON. Okay. Then yes, run this. Then open your terminal. Then do run main.py. Yeah, select model is Mistral, and why is the sky blue, or you can ask any question you want. I will ask what is the capital of Australia, perhaps. Generate. See, we are getting an error. Okay, so just go back and give this error to ChatGPT again. Why have given a wrong code to us? I'm asking the entire updated code. Okay, I'll come here, use one, then where is this? Yeah, the model name is this type Mistral. Okay, now straight control C and I'll run this main.py. So I'll select Mistral over here, and I'll type by the sky blue itself. You see here this. If you observe it, if you see it, the sky appears blue due to, see, you see over here itself, the sky appears blue due to a phenomenon known as ray, right? But we have to overcome this one. Okay, so what is that we have to do is that we have to go to our code and come here and add a command called stream is equal to false, right? It's perfect. Okay, now press click on this terminal, press Ctrl C, you will come out of it one. Now run this code again. Okay, now select Mistral, Y is sky blue, or something like that. You should be able to get. Okay, perfect. We're getting an error. So let's give this thing to, first let's give this one to ChatGPT. Then let's give the error. What is the error we got? Okay, this is the error we got. Okay, let me go to here and solve permutation combination. Guys, it will take some time. but that is how it works. Okay, okay. Now click here, type Control C and just run streamlit run main.py. Okay, then run Mistral is running. Why the sky blue? See, if you see over here, we have streamed it false. Now the sky appears blue due to phenomenon called relief scattering. See, you can ask any other question. If you can ask what is photosynthesis, uh, what is photosynthesis, anything you can ask. Okay, right? So this is how you run a large language model in your laptop. Just read this JSON file and get this response alone. You can do that as well. Okay. So I can say what is photosynthesis. You can ask any question, right? It will give an answer. So this is how you would run a large language model in your local laptop. Okay. So yeah, you got what is photosynthesis. Also, you got a reply. Okay. So this is how you get guess. You read this JSON file. You can do whatever changes you want. You are using a model called Mistral over here. This is the time you had created, and total duration is this much, and prompt eval count. See, that's fine. Thank you guys.